Hey YouTube, it's Wild Boy BMXer, and today I'll be doing a bike check on my fully custom bike. So starting off at the top, the bars are Fit Sky High bars. For my grips, I have ODI Long Neck XL grips. And another thing is my bars are 8.25 inches high and 28 inches wide. For my barons, I have Odyssey Parins. For my stem, I have a Fit Bike Code top load stem. For my stem bolt, I have a Fit Bike Code stem bolt. It came with my Fit Shift 2 forks. For my front tire, I have an Animal Tom Whitewall tire in size 20 by 2.20. For my rim, I have an Odyssey Quadrant. For my spokes, I have Shadow spokes. I had to relace it and change the spokes not long ago. For my front hub, it's a Odyssey Vendero V2 hub guard. Hub V2. And for the hub guards, one here and the other one here, they are Odyssey Vendero V2 hub guards. For my two front pegs, they're Animal Butcher pegs. For my headset, it's an Odyssey headset. So yeah, that's in the front. Now in the middle, I have the Fit Indent cranks. I have the Snafu plastic PC pedals. For my sprocket, I have a Kink Bedlam sprocket, 25 tooth. For my chain, I have a KMC chain. For my seat, I have a Primo Fat seat. It's leather and it's super comfortable. For my seat post, it's integrated because the frame is a Fit Eddy V2 and that's how they're just designed. So that's my frame, a Fit Eddy V2. For my back rim, it's an Odyssey Quadrant with an Odyssey V3 hub with Shadow spokes. For my hub guard, it's a Primo drive side hub guard because I just started learning Oppo grinds. And both of my pegs, they are Animal Butcher pegs. For my rear non-driver side hub guard, it's an Elacla hub guard. And pretty much this is my whole entire bike. So some few new things will be coming up. A 4-peg edit, so there'll be strictly grinds and maybe some flatland, I don't know, I'll see about that. Mostly many Oppo grinds and I'll try feeble 180s. I'm really close to them. I can get the whole 180 on a feeble hard 180, but it's just hard to fakie. So yeah, follow me on Instagram at WildBoyBMXer and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I'll do a hub sound really quickly. I'm just gonna put this down. So yeah, that's my bike.